All right, so here is Unit 5, Lesson 10 practice. Help you guys work your way through this one. So again, we're going to follow the procedure for this one to help you work your way through it. So the first step is to mark one polygon up. This one is K. By the way, it got cut off by my printer. So that is K. So mark one polygon up with the points of the other one, so you can tell which one is congruent. You do that by using the way that they are marked up. So this one's kind of here, so I'm going to go L, W, G, N, H, Y, C, so there's no mistake. So L is with K, T is with W, G is with X, N is with N, H is with H, D is with Y, and C is with R. Alright, so that's done. Next is to fill out the diagram with the main given statement. Alright, so NX is congruent to NH. NX is right here, and it's going to be my single line, and H. Okay, so now you find its counterpart, and X's counterpart is NG. So that's congruent. Okay, and these are all congruent to DR. DR is right here. DR's counterpart is YC. YC is right here. That's a single line, which is also congruent to XT. XT's counterpart is GW. That's GW. So this is all a single line mark. And the perimeter of this polygon is 564, which is also the perimeter of this polygon, because they're congruent polygons. So the perimeter of both, I'm just going to say the perimeter of both, put it right here, both equals 564 inches. Okay, next I'm going to look at my minor givens. Okay, 20x minus 114. I'm going to see if any of these are able to be simplified. No, they're all simplified. I'm also going to take note and see if any of them are of the different variables. They are all in the variable x. So this will make it simple. Okay, so I'm going to see HD. HD has not been identified, so I'm going to call this a double. This is a double one. All right, and its counterpart is HY. HY, and it's 20x. 20x minus 14.4. This is a double mark. Okay. GW. GW is a single mark. It's a single mark. So any of the single marks, I'm going to make it 13x plus 9.6. Okay, and then CL. CL is congruent to CK. Okay, so that's going to be 18. That's going to be a triple mark because I haven't identified that one yet. This is a triple mark. This is a triple mark. All right, so this is going to be 18x. 18x plus 21.6. All right, and then I have KT. KT is right here, and it's going to be my, I'll call that my 4 mark. Mark 4. Okay, that's Roman numerals, by the way. KT is WL. That's Roman numeral 4. All right, so then that's going to be 9x plus 43.2. All right, so now I'll write an equation that can be best described to determine the value of x. Do I have any equations that have the same congruent length and different values for the equations? No, I don't. Nope, so that means I have the perimeter I'm going to use, and I'm going to add all the length of all of these line segments. right? So I have, of my number ones, I have 4 of them. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so my equation is going to be 4 times the value of 13x plus 9.6. And how many 2's do I have? I have only 1 2 plus 20x minus 14.4. Then I have, how many 3's do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah. How many 3's do I have? I have only 1 3 plus 18x plus 21.6. And then how many 4's do I have? I only have 1 4, and it's plus 9x plus 43.2. This all equals 56.4. How many sides do I have total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so that's all of my things. All right, so now I will distribute all this stuff like this. All right, so I'm going to go 4 times 13 equals 52x. I'll do that again. 4 times 13 equals 52x plus 20 equals 72 plus 18x equals 90 plus 9x equals 99x. So 99x plus, now I'll do my constants, 9.6 minus 14.4 plus 21.6 plus 43.2 equals 60. I forgot to multiply that by 4, so let me do that again. All right, so 4 times 9.6, okay, it's 38.4 minus 14.4 plus 21.6 plus 43.2 equals 88.8. Equals 88.8 equals 56.4. 56.4. All right, now I'm gonna oh, that's not right. It's 564. 564. Didn't seem right to have a negative value. 564. Okay. Now I'm going to subtract. I'm going to go 564 minus 88. It's going to be 99x equals 476, and divide that by 99, and x is going to be equal to 564 minus 88.8, and divide that by 99 equals 4.8. X equals 4.8. All right, so now I know x. So now I just got to figure out what the length of HN is. HN, so HN is a single length. So my single length, HN, is going to be equal to 13x plus 9.6. My single length equals HN equals 13x plus 9.6. Single length, 13x plus 9.6. So 13 times 4.8. I'll just write it, I guess, equals 13 times 4.8 plus 9.6, and that equals times 4.8 plus 9.6 equals 72 inches. Okay, RK. RK is a triple length. RK is a triple length. Triple length equals RK equals 18K, 18X plus 21.6 equals 18 times 4.8. I want to make this easy to see. Okay, 4.8 plus 21.6. All right, so 18 times 4.8 plus 21.6 equals 108. And then finally, we have number 5, xn is a single arc. Xn equals a single length, which is already determined as 72 inches. Okay, so now I'm going to just slide this over. We'll raise this up a little and move that down so we can work these together. Okay, maybe I should do this. Yeah, I should do that. Yeah, that's what I'll do. All right. So, are these the same polygons? L, LK, WT, WT, XG looks like, and then RD, RC. Yep, they're the same polygons. All right, I'm gonna shift to blue for angles. First thing is first. Check to see if anything can be simplified. Yep. Angle X. Let's see if I can find an angle X in here somewhere. Okay, so anything is angle X. No, an angle K can be simplified. Anything an angle K. So nothing as simple as that. So let me see what X is congruent to. X is congruent to G. So angle G. So angle G is congruent to. So I'm going to say measure of So I'll say measure angle G. Right, angle G is congruent to angle X. Angle G is the corresponding pair to angle X. Right, so I can say that I can take this value and substitute it here. Right, so I can say this equals 7K minus 9 plus 25. And 9 plus negative 9 plus 25 is 16. So this will be 7K plus 16. Okay, so that is no longer that. That is now that. All right, so now I have K. So K is the same as L. So they give me angle L. Right, so K is up here, and K is the same as L. Right, so K is the same as L, and they give me L right here. All right, so L is, I can take this and put it in for L. Okay, so this will be 2K plus 55 plus 20. So that'll be 2K plus 75. That is no longer what I want. That's what I'm going to use. Is there anything else I can simplify or put in terms of K? I don't think so. All right, so now I'm going to take this and start putting it down for what I know. All right, I might have to overlap some stuff. I'll use this. I'll use this side. So angle L is 2K 2k plus 55. This is 2k plus 55, 2k plus 55. Angle G is 7k, 7k minus 9. That is angle G is 7k minus 9. Angle H is 5k plus 2, 5k plus 2. I'll just do this so you know that they're the same. Okay. Okay, and then we say angle T. Angle T is this one, and it's 9k minus 43. Angle T is the same as W, 9k minus 43. All right, and then we have angle Y is 7k minus plus 16. That's this one here, not 116, 16. Okay, plus 16. That's that one, and then angle R is, so angle K is this one. It's is along with D, 7k plus 16, and then angle R is 2k plus 75, and then this is 2k plus 75. So I have all my angles except for N. Do I need N? It doesn't look like I need N or I have N anywhere. Okay, so let's say angle T. Angle T is 9k minus 43 plus angle K. Angle K is 2k plus 55. And then angle R. Angle R is 2k plus 75. 2k plus 75. All that equals 360 degrees. So my K's are 9 plus 2 is 11 is 13k. And then let's go with negative 43 plus 55 plus 75. 75 plus 55 minus 43 equals 87. Is plus 87. Okay, and then that's going to equal 360. 360, subtract 87 from both sides. It was 273. And then go 273 divided by 13. That's going to be k equals 21. Okay, so now measure of nxt. Nx, and that's just a measure of angle x. Measure of angle x is 7 times 21 equals 7 times 21. Should all work. 7 times x. Measure of nxt equals, let's see, measure of nxt, where'd it go? Oh yeah, I gotta show it up here. Measure of nxt, that's measure of angle x, equals 7 times x minus 9 equals 7 times 21 minus 9 equals, oh, that's the wrong one. Crap. 7 times. All right, so 7 times 21. Sorry, I'm trying to get everything out of the way here. This is not supposed to be red. This is supposed to be blue. Okay. All right, 7. So 7 times 21. 7 times 21 minus 9 equals 138. Okay. Then I have HYC, so this is the angle Y. It's going to be 7 times 21 plus 16 equals 7 times 21 plus 16 equals 163. And then this is angle H. Angle H is going to be equal to 5K. Oh, these should be K's. God. No, I'm just going to do this. Ha. Take that. All right. So 5K. So this is going to be angle H is 5K plus 2 equals 5 times 21 plus 2 equals 107. And then finally W is 9K minus 43. 9 minus 43. So 9 times 21, 9 times 21 minus 43 is 146. It's going to be 146. All right. Okay, so there you go. That's how you do all of the maths. And I hope that helped you out.